Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to customize the position of soft buttons in Samsung Galaxy A7. When you turn on the device, the soft buttons appears at the bottom of the screen. The soft buttons are in order of Recents button, Home button and Back button by default. These can be reversed as per user's convenience. To do so, swipe up on the home screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Display. Scroll and tap on Navigation bar. Under Button Layout, you are provided with two different options: Recents Home Back and Back Home Recents. Switch the orientation according to your need. Please note, position of home key cannot be changed. As you can see, the position of soft buttons have changed. So this is how we can customize the position of soft buttons in Samsung Galaxy A7. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.